Hi friends, welcome to Current Jobs for All. National Board of Examinations has issued a notification regarding recruitment of senior assistant, junior accountant and stenographer. Submission of online applications commences on 11th July 2020 and closes on 31st July 2020. The date of examination is 31st August 2020. For the post of senior assistant, there are 18 vacancies. Educational qualification required is a degree from recognized university or board. For the post of junior assistant, there are 57 vacancies. Educational qualification required is a pass in senior secondary examination with proficiency in use of computers and basic software packages such as Windows or network operating systems or LAN architecture. For the post of junior accountant, there are 7 vacancies. Educational qualification required is bachelor's degree with maths or statistics or a degree in commerce with 3 years experience in the relevant field. For the post of stenographer, there are 8 vacancies. Educational qualification required is senior secondary with stenographic skill of 80 words per minute in shorthand and 30 words per minute in typing. 2 years of experience in the relevant field is desirable. For all these posts, the upper age limit is 27 years. The mode of selection will be a computer-based entrance exam which will be conducted by TCS on 31st August 2020. Based on the marks scored in the CBT, candidates will be shortlisted for a skill test which will be arranged by NBE on 20th September 2020. All the applicants must register for the computer-based test to be conducted by TCS, the link for which is given in the notification. The application fee is Rs 1,500 plus GST for candidates belonging to the category General. For the candidates belonging to the category SC, ST, PWD, OBC, NCL and EWS and women candidates, the application fee is Rs 750 plus GST. The computer-based test for the post of senior assistant, junior accountant, junior assistant and stenographer will consist of 50 questions from general intelligence and reasoning, 50 questions from general awareness, 50 questions from quantitative aptitude and 50 questions from English comprehension for a total of 200 marks. The duration of the test is 180 minutes. The standard for the test for the post of senior assistant and junior accountant will be graduation level, while the standard for junior assistant and stenographer will be +2 level. Interested candidates can visit the NBE website and apply for the same. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.